the entire life you prepare for a single moment in a match where the football will be in your hand. तो अगर आप पूरा देखोगे तो आप 8 घंटे दिन में काम करते हो, बट आपको टोटल इफ यू सी इन अ ईयर यू माइट हैव गॉट अप्रिसिएशन of hardly 8 minutes in the entire year. So we actually work for that 8 minutes.
Hi, this is Namrata and welcome back to Sip and Share Series 2.0. I know we haven't met for last few days, but no worries, we are back again with an exciting topic that is on women empowerment. And for that, we are going to have a very special guest on our show. She is did fantastic in industrial sector and brought phenomenal growth in VISL. She is smart, intelligent, beautiful, hardworking, and most important, she is a great team leader. So please welcome my favorite, your favorite, Miss Nutan Bala ma'am on our show.
Thank you so much, Namrata. I think that was very sweet of you to mention such words for me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Actually,
you were being
deserve it.
generous.
Yeah. So how are you?
Good, very good.
I am totally excited today that I'm getting this chance to have a face-to-face conversation with you, and it's like on a very big topic that is on women empowerment. And as we feel like you are the perfect face for that, आप बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा इस concept के लिए face हो.
Thank you very much. I think if you feel it, I would accept
Yes,
this
everyone
gracefully.
feels the same. And
Thank you.
we are having, we know about you, like you are having 12 years of experience into sales. Like you have did ups and downs, you have seen ups and downs, and there must be challenges and how you're managing. And can you let me know your small journey or in small words, your journey?
Yeah, so I mean, just to tell you that I am not a core salesperson, first of all. I started my career with the procurement. I was also a purchase executive, like I have my team here. So I was also a purchase executive when I joined my career in 2010. I did my engineering from NIT, and post that I was working with a company called as HPCL, Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited. So there, in fact, it was a government job when I started my career. But then I was working there for 7 years. But 7 saal mein, I felt that the growth was little slower as compared to what I expected out of me. I knew that I'm very hardworking, and I can go anywhere and can work with that zeal and enthusiasm. So I needed that kind of a push in my career. So I then did my MBA from IIM Indore and then ventured into the private sector.
Okay.
And again, when I started after my MBA also, I was in fact in procurement. I was heading procurement of one company and contracts as well. उसके बाद भी then I was working in a company.
So first you studied in sales, or you're having
No sales experience at all. I was completely a procurement person. One company I joined in Delhi, and my then manager told me, actually she was going for a sales call, and she said that see if you can come with me. And I just went with her, and I was there also I was heading procurement. And then when once I was with her, I could close the sales call very well. So we could actually convert that order. It was in fact a
So
1.5
your
years
first,
long
sale.
lead. Yeah, so I could convert that lead to order within, I think, 3-4 weeks. So that's when I also felt that I can do well in sales, and my
So that's how you
manager
started.
also started feeling that I can do well in sales. And उसके बाद से मेरा sales का career start हुआ. It's now been, I think, 7 years.
In sales,
I've been working in complete
properly,
sales.
yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
But
So
I
now-
think purchase से ज़्यादा मुझे sales में ज़्यादा मजा आता है.
Yeah, it's completely true.
Yeah.
So like now you're handling big brands. So first you were managing those brands, and now you're leading those brands. So
Yeah.
there must be a lot of competitions and all, and how challenges, what are the challenges you're facing?
Challenges, yeah. Okay, मतलब I'm a very positive person. I actually don't think about challenges much. Whatever comes to me, or whatever maybe challenge as per you, I believe that this is something which can be maybe just something which is just for just for this moment, and maybe after 1-2 months this won't be there, and I just keep walking with that.
So you're having a very positive attitude towards
I don't know. I think all the people who have to lead, they have to have this attitude,
And
because
in fact, I
the team
guess-
is looking at you, right? So you cannot actually in front of them you can't say that this is a challenge. In front of them you have to say that no, this is not a challenge. This is actually something which
And
where we can do
even
better.
people think that it is a myth that women can't handle a team, or she can't do your handling about like 100 plus employees.
Yeah.
And there must be Gen Zs also and millennials also. Both with,
Yeah.
again, you have to, you have to manage the both age groups. Again, there will be experience differences. How
Yeah.
you manage that?
See, okay, I mean, the one thing which I feel has worked for me always, I don't take things for granted. Be it anyone, when you don't take things for granted, no, what happens actually is you are thankful to everyone what they do.
Yeah.
So if in my team somebody is doing something, I don't say कि ये तो चलो इसको नौकरी इसकी नौकरी है, सैलरी करता सैलरी लेता है या सैलरी लेती है तो इसे ये करना पड़ेगा. I believe that I'm like privileged to that he has done something for me, and I'm very thankful for that person if he has done something for
How
me.
you motivate them?
So motivation is something I think
Because it's
I
sales
think-
again.
Yeah.
Sometimes you don't
Yeah.
take the targets.
I think two things. First is that I have the skill of finding the right person for the right position. I try to figure out that who can be the best person who's suited for this position that actually works for me when I put people into the right boxes. Second, I think which thing that has worked for me, that I've always amplified the voice of my team. I mean, if they are feeling something, if they want to say something, I ensure that it is reached till the place where it should go.
Yeah.
So when they see that amplification happening of what they feel, so they feel connected with you. It's not like that they
there
will
is an
never-
open conversation
Yes,
you can
yes,
they
yes.
have with you.
Yes, so
That's
these
the
two things
reason.
I feel has worked for
So
me.
again,
as
there is
far as-
one myth that women can't travel, or they can't balance the work and again home together. And I guess you are doing both the things so perfectly. How you can you let us know how you do it?
So okay, I mean, of course, बहुत सारा इसमें जो support है वो मेरे husband की है. He has never expected me to do those things where I can think that I'm in a mess between my work and my personal life. He has always supported me. He's a great cook. So बहुत कम टाइम मुझे खाना बनाना पड़ता है. He cooks very
It is the best
बहुत
quality
अच्छा
in man
खाना
if-
बनाता है.
You'll say.
So that way I am घर की तरफ से I'm completely, he has just given me all the freedom that I can get. Not just that, as far as traveling is concerned, I think he has given me even if I'm traveling 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, he has always put that trust in me.
Yeah.
And I've always felt that okay, I can travel. I feel that I'm traveling like as if I am not married. So
Yeah.
there are no such obligations,
So once you know what, अगर हमको फैमिली से ज़्यादा सपोर्ट मिलता है ना, तो we can achieve more
Right,
things.
absolutely. I think
that
it is
They are
absolutely
putting trust
101%.
that no, she can do it and she will do it.
Yes,
So
yes.
it is the best thing that our family is giving to us.
Absolutely, yeah. So I think उसके शादी के पहले my parents who have always given me that kind of support, and
Yeah.
शादी के बाद my husband,
Husband,
I'm
so-
lucky to have him in
Yeah,
my
it's
life.
so true.
So even if I travel 10 days in a month, I travel a lot. I travel 10 to 15 days in a month. But जितना भी मैं travel करती हूँ, I've always got that support that I should get from him. And in travel also, I think company has also given all those kind of kind of comfort to me to
Yeah.
travel. Wherever I mean, I can stay wherever I feel comfortable.
Yeah,
There
right.
is no such limit to where I can stay. They've always ensured that I am safe. They've given us this Ola service.
So we are having
if
all
at
the things.
yeah,
That's why it's
absolutely,
like
absolutely.
smooth to us.
Yeah, so it's I think company plus my husband, both of them have
Yeah.
been able to make me thrive in my career.
So, ma'am, for you, like, there is any inspiration model in your life? Because when I look at you, you are like my inspiration model, because I love the confidence which you having, and I always wanted this quality in me. So, is there any your role model or your inspirational model in your life?
See, I mean, of course, yes. But see, the inspiration, my inspiration have always been evolving with time, right? I mean, when I was in college, I used to think about someone in my own family where I used to believe that okay, I want to be like her. But then when you start your career journey, you then you then evolve with time, right? So if you ask me, I mean, right now, I really look up to Indra Nooyi, the way she has been, her journey, and in terms of people management, I've many of my actions and reactions which I give is inspired by her. I keep watching her videos of how to manage people, how to lead a team, and then how to take strategic decisions and ensure that then the entire team is working with you. So I think that has inspired me.
Inspired you.
Yes.
So for all this, like, you are having any code, like Rosa Marks says, if you're doing a thing and if you think it is right, then you do it. So is there any your code that you follow in your life and you want the next generation also should know, that Gen Zs and upcoming alphas?
Oh, that's a... So I think, okay, I've always believed in one thing. I was listening to one of my favorite interviews, I would say. I was listening to one of a very good sportsman in India.
Okay.
So he mentioned it in his interview, that the entire life, so he's a footballer.
Okay.
So he mentioned that, the entire life you prepare for a single moment in a match where the football will be in your hand. So what does that mean? Like, for the entire time of the football, you are just, running behind the ball, and for few moments only you will have that ball in your hand. And I was just actually relating it to our regular life. See, I mean, we keep on working every day, 8 hours, 9 hours, 10 hours in office, right? And what actually makes us feel alive and motivate us is a small one-liner by our boss or by our manager that you are doing fine, you are doing good. That elevates us and keeps us going for the complete, I would say, year, not just a month, right? तो अगर आप पूरा देखोगे तो आप 8 घंटे दिन में काम करते हो, बट आपको टोटल इफ यू सी इन अ ईयर यू माइट हैव गॉट अप्रिसिएशन of hardly 8 minutes in the entire year. So we actually work for that 8 minutes. The more you can increase the experience in those 8 minutes for the person that who's working for you, make him or her feel special in every way. Right. I think more you do this, better your life is going to be, because people are going to treat you like a family.
Yes,
so for me this has worked, and I feel that for everyone else also this can
so
work.
ma'am, like, from this organization or from your past organization also, have you ever come across a situation where you are giving an order to someone and that person is not liking, as a male ego comes sometimes, that woman is giving some orders, if it's experience then you can share, if it's not like that then it's okay.
So I'll tell you one thing. In fact, मेरे साथ ये उल्टा हुआ है. Me being a female or me being a woman, I've always felt that people are more respectable towards me. Wherever I go, if I go and meet to a customer, if I'm meeting a customer, if I'm meeting anyone, I've always seen that people give that kind of an edge and respect to me, which I feel that, I mean, I feel privileged to have that respect, and that kind of a notion that females, I mean, for me too, I have always seen people respecting me in a more as compared to what they can do with the male members. So मेरे हिसाब से तो ये उल्टा होता है.
So maybe अभी 21st century है तो लोग थोड़ा women's को भी privilege दे रहे हैं, that they should also grow and the respect is equal now. I can feel like that.
Yeah, so I think okay, again, respect equally, I think I get more respect.
Okay.
Even if I'm sitting, like, in our company also, if like 4 or 5 people are sitting, so I think it's in our in the company also, I've always felt that people give that a little bit of edge if there's a woman sitting on the table. I mean, they are more respectable to you. जैसे आप अगर लड़का है तो उसको 4 गाली निकाल दोगे, बट लड़के को आप गाली नहीं निकालते हो. So that way, if you ask me, तो this has worked ulta for me. I've always felt that people give me more respect as compared to they give to others.
So is there any 3 tips that you want to give to upcoming leaders that they should implement in their life?
3 tips, okay. 3 tips में first, as I mentioned in the entire conversation, that you have to amplify the voice of your team.
Yeah.
Whatever, even if it's an idea or it's something where they are stuck or something which they believe that company should support us, ensure that voice is reaching to the right person.
Yeah.
That is one. Second, as I mentioned, the thing that has worked for me, that don't take things for granted.
Yes.
If your team member is doing something for you, ensure that they are you are thankful to them. And third thing, again, the same discussion that we had, that amplify the experience of your team members in which they feel that they are valued enough. So maybe
Yes.
praise them. वो 8 मिनट को आप अगर आपने 18 minutes भी कर दिया, that person will be thankful to you that
this is a
you
good
are valued.
quality of you, that you always praise your team. This is
Thank
one
you,
of
thank
the
you
best
very much.
qualities, that for not even for like they have did 10 lakhs or 20 lakhs, you for the 10,000 20,000 also you will praise
Yeah.
them, because the efforts you see.
Yes,
That is the best thing you do it. So again, this is the last round, and I guess we will meet again with a new topic, and we will have a discussion on a
Sure,
new topic also. So we will end it, but I don't want to actually. I want to have more conversation, but we have to end it, and we will meet with another topic, and we will have a discussion on this.
Thank
soon.
you, Namrata. Thank you
Thank
very
you so
much.
much, Nutan.
Yeah, thank you.